What's up, guys? It's Cullen with FL Cleaning. These are our new shirts. My beard's all in the way. I don't know if it's in frame. It says FL Cleaning Done Right. That's our little slogan now. But basically, this is the intro to the video, and there is another intro to the actual cleaning. But I just want to say, this is where I'm at. Got a broken elbow. I don't know if some of y'all know that, but yeah, broke my elbow about 2 weeks ago. It's still broken. You know, that's what happens. Broken bone stays broken until it heals. But yeah, that's it. I just want to say, these are our new shirts. If y'all want, whoever sees this, we are in Greenville, Royce City, Rockwall, Dallas, Fort Worth, wherever. We do work everywhere, so if y'all want to come work and be a part of the team at FL Cleaning, you're welcome. But peace. Alright guys, I told y'all this was coming. This was our next big project, and I just gotta take my hat off to this one real quick. Toss that over there. This is Caddo Mills Griffiths Elementary School. Alright, let's head on over here. It's where we are soft washing these columns. As you can tell, these columns are absolutely nasty. Alright guys, so this is what the clean column looks like. No more black. No more black anywhere. That's perfect. That's what they're all gonna look like. There's a before right here. How nasty that looks to this. Super clean, super delicious. Alright guys, this is the after shot of me finishing, and I'm gonna give y'all a little closer look. As you can see, that looks much better than this right here. This is what it used to look like. This is what it looks like now. Alright guys, so this is the final product of this, and I'm gonna go ahead and walk y'all on the inside as well. Here. This is the final product of the inside as well. Looks like brand new stone. And then we still have to kind of rinse this. We got most of the black off, but we just gotta rinse that off and it should be good. And then come on over here. Alright, so we are on the other side of the building. And as you can tell, it looks very clean. There's some spots that we still need to hit over here up top, but we are going to be getting a little scissor lift for that. And then I'm going to be showing you the bottom side of this building right here. As you can see, there's some buildup down there. We got to blast some of that away. But we did soft wash this whole wall, and the stone is just a pain. We'll have to use a scissor lift to get some of this as well. But stone is just a really hard thing to clean, but it will come out great. So I'm going to go ahead and give y'all a little video of a before and after. Here's the before, and here is the after. So as you can see, I hit all down here, all at the bottom. Looks nice and clean, especially under those drains. There is a shadow there, but that is clean under there and all the way down. Now we still have not yet hit those spots again. That's gonna be with the scissor lift. So we're waiting on that on Monday, but it will be a super quick process. But yeah, there is the final result of where we left off. Alright guys, so this is the next part that we're gonna be doing tonight. I'm gonna be hitting all of this top area. We're gonna go up onto the roof. We're gonna hit any of these bad areas down here with the little bit of solution that we have left. So literally right there in frame. And then maybe up under there some. But again, we'll probably wait until, well no, we'll probably do that tonight as well because we have the ladders. But yeah, and then like something like this over here. That little area right there, not bad, so in that corner. But yeah, that's where we're gonna start. And we'll show you the before and. Alright guys, so as you can see, it looks much better. We're currently hitting the top with some higher pressure just because that spot we haven't hit yet. But we ran out of solution, so we have to go back in the morning and get some. But as you can see, when I showed y'all all the way over there, you see how that top part is a little nastier than that bottom part? Hit all of this. We've kind of run out of a solution for the top. So we're gonna hit that, and then we're gonna go get some. It's currently like, I don't know, 4 o'clock in the morning. So we worked through the night, but yeah. There's Antonio up there. As you can see, we are currently getting that black spot because we're coming back to softwash, so we're hitting all these black spots that are kind of heavier, just so we can get the rest of the wall with the S8. But I'm gonna let y'all enjoy this real quick.
I fell so fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe, and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity?
So you have to hit it from different angles because of how porous the stone is. It gets caught in different sides of the stone, so you gotta hit it from different ways. So what we're doing right now is pretty much just getting that top half that's really bad, and then the rest of the soft wash will actually get that whole wall clean.
I forgive the pain you gave to me so long ago. Sleepless nights I laid awake just begging to let go. I almost got to suicidal thoughts, but you stepped in. An angel sent from heaven showed me how to live again. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe, and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't wanna say goodbye.
So this is the finished product. I'm gonna walk you around a little bit. So this is the completed wall. Sorry, I'm shaking a lot. Just walking. No more black streaks. Perfectly clean. Just how we want. Time to go home. It's morning. Look at that. See the sky.